Posture. Posture is a reflection of the things that you do day in and day out. Trust me when I say that you can have as many problems here as you can here. There is no perfect posture because your body is a moving, flowing entity. So any stagnation, be it here or here, is gonna be bad for you over time. So a much better question to ask is, Shona, how can I improve my movement? And an even more detailed, specific question than that is, Shona, how can I improve my joint health and my mobility? Because essentially they're the things that facilitate movement. So here are 3 tips to improve your posture / joint / movement. Numero 1. In the wise words of Will Durant, who is actually sort of paraphrasing or translating Aristotle, we are what we repeatedly do. Excellence, therefore, is not an act, but a habit. And the same goes for your posture. So set a reminder in your calendar and every 30 minutes, move. This is also going to be good for your lymphatic system and your circulatory system as well. Number 2, use it or lose it. And I'm not talking about the glutes, but I do talk about the glutes a lot with that, because if you don't use your glutes, they will atrophy, disappear, basically. If you don't use your ROM, range of motion, you will lose your ROM. This is where CARs, or controlled articular rotations, and the functional range conditioning FAM and methods are going to help you to maintain that range of motion. I have a lot of mobility videos on my YouTube channel. You'll need to get them into your regime, and it needs to be a consistent and constant practice. Number 3, limit your device time. Whether it's a phone or a laptop, they aren't great, not just for posture, because remember I said there's no perfect posture. This is fine for, 2 minutes, but if it's for hours and hours and hours and hours and you're not moving, that's where it's problematic. The problem with devices is they're just so goddamn hypnotizing that we lose our own self-awareness, and all of our awareness goes into this. And now that we can take our phones everywhere, hell, you're on a phone right now watching me talk about how to not be on your phone. Oh, this is a fun game. But basically, because they come with us everywhere we go, our self-awareness, our physical awareness is starting to diminish. Like the ratio of time that we spend with our awareness outside of our body versus inside of our body is obviously incredibly imbalanced. Unbalanced? Imbalanced. Unbalanced. Unbalanced. There's a huge disparity. So hopefully that has prompted you to go, holy shit, I think I might put my device down right now and instead do some mobility work. Alrighty fam, I hope you found those tips very helpful. Peace out.